Are you ready to ditch the Deet and start using an all-natural bug spray that is completely safe and super powerful? Then today's video is for you. I break down my super secret weapon bug spray that is all natural and super easy to make. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to my channel. And welcome to the beautiful Mount Baker Wilderness, where I have been hiking today, and I thought what better place than to share my super secret weapon, killer bug repellent, all natural spray with you guys than here. And if you're new here and we haven't met, my name is Kelsey and welcome to my channel, where each week I release new videos sharing tips, tricks, and solutions for natural health and wellness for everyday people. No, you don't have to be a crunchy hippie granola type of person to live a natural lifestyle, and that's what this channel is all about. So welcome. And if you want to see more videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. And if you want to join our Instagram family, head over here. All right, guys, I'm going to share my super secret recipe in just a second, but I first wanted to talk to you a little bit about Deet. You have to choose what's best for your family, but for me, I don't want to risk putting chemicals on my body or on my skin that can absorb into the bloodstream that I have no idea what they're going to do. I would much rather prefer an all-natural option that not only is super effective, but also cost-effective and ninja nunchuck powerful. I even tried this over in Eastern Washington this past summer, and the mosquitoes did not like it. Check this out.
All right, there's mosquitoes on our tent. No way! I just sprayed our Ameo essential oil bug spray and they all disappeared.
Yeah, this stuff is powerful. Bugs do not want to come near it. So here's the recipe. All you're going to need are oh my gosh! So what you're going to need are 3 inexpensive essential oils, and I'll tell you what they are in a second. A 1/4 cup of witch hazel. Links are down in the description on where to find the essential oils and my favorite organic witch hazel, and a 2-ounce glass bottle. Now you can of course make a bigger batch in a bigger bottle, but if you're backpacking, hiking, you don't want to carry a lot of weight. But if you do want to make a bigger bottle, just double, triple the recipe accordingly. So the 3 essential oils you're going to need are citronella, a bug repellent staple and powerhouse, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. So what you're going to do is take your 2-ounce glass bottle and drop 10 drops of citronella oil, 10 drops of lemongrass, and you guessed it, 10 drops of eucalyptus. And then you're going to put in a 1/4 cup of witch hazel. I use the Humphreys organic witch hazel, and again, you can find all the products down below in the description. And then fill the remaining bottle with water, which is about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. Then you're going to shake it up, and guess what? You are good to go, honey. You are good to go and slay those bugs. Repel, repel. Now, there are a plethora of different essential oils that can repel bugs, but I found these 3 form a powerful combination, plus it's my preferred scent. It's very citrusy and has a hint of citronella. I really like the scent. It's very fresh. But if that's not your jam, there are so many other essential oils that you can blend together. And I will put a list of all the essential oils that repel bugs in the PDF down below, plus the full recipe. You can find it there as well. So I hope this was helpful. I love this bug spray. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite bug spray blend? Is it this? Is it something else? What do you use to fight off the bugs when you're trying to enjoy your nature experience? Drop any suggestions down below in the comments, and if this video was helpful, be sure to drop a thumbs up as well. And if you don't want to miss any of my new videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. I will see you in the next video. Whose idea was it to sit on a rock? Oh, it was yours. Thanks, Kels. My butt screaming for mercy. Mercy! My butt! Die, bug. Die. been spraying this so much, like there's a radius of like 100 miles that bugs will not approach me. Is there someone behind me? Hey, Chikalobara. At home, that it is just me in the mountains. What did you do, microphone? Oh, microphone, you're getting fresh. What am I talking about? We're just having all sorts of problems here. Whoa, yikes.